this example, we need to find the square root of 36 x to the 5th and y to the 6th power. Okay, now in order to do this, first I'm going to take the square root of 36, then the square root of x to the 5th, and then y to the 6th. Don't try to do it all in one step. So the square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 gives us 36. Now, to do x to the 5th, what we want to do first is think about that the index here is 2. Okay, so we need to find groups of 2. And if we have x to the 5th, we can remember that that's equal to x times x times x times x times x. So if we're looking for groups of 2, we have one here, and we still have one left over. So remember, each group is 1 on the outside. So we have 1, 2 on the outside, but then we have 1 left over on the inside. So this becomes x squared, and then we still have the square root of x. And now we're going to do the same thing with y. So we have the square root of y to the 6th. Now that could be shown as y times y times y times y times y times y. We're looking for groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2. So this becomes y cubed. So 6x squared y cubed square root of x. Now, when these numbers get bigger, you're not going to want to write all of them out like this. So what you can think about is divide by the index. Like 6 divided by 2 is 3, and that's why we got y cubed on the outside. And when you have an odd number, you can take one out and then divide. So x to the 4th times x makes x to the 5th. And then you can do your division. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you have x squared on the outside, but you still have this one left over on the inside. So this is our final answer.